Hello, it's Markham Torch here from Markham 3D, and in this section we're going to change the dynamic paint to dynamic displacement, and we're also going to be playing around with some materials. So let's start off. Let's have a look what we've got. Beautiful. From here I'm just going to be very lazy and use extreme PBR to create some materials, but this node setup is very straightforward. So I'm just going to go N. I want this wall to be a concrete wall, so let's just quickly go concrete, and this yellow one seems good to me. Map kit, let's just add these, add new, and what I'm going to do is come in here, I'm going to select all these nodes, box select. Let's come back into our first material and paste, and we'll bring that down here. What I'm going to do is all our work we've done so far, I'm just going to delete it. And let's come back into here and select a second concrete, maybe this darker concrete, and we'll add that. And once again, select everything from here, copy, go back to material 1 and paste and place that in there. From here, let's add back in our mix shader, and we'll plug these two shaders in, 1, 2. And now we're going to work on our factors. So just plug that in there as well. So now we've kind of got that mix of the materials, which is not what we want. Now what I want is, as these bullets come in, I want them to do damage. So first up, let's come over here into our dynamic paint on our plane and change the surface type from paint to displace. And now if we run through it, we will see that we've got these. Now the mesh is facing the wrong way, so let's go tab into edit mode, select everything, rotate Z 180, and hopefully now when we press play again, there we go. Now we've got massive dents. We can see that it's a little bit pixelated. That's fine. I'm going to press spacebar and type in shade smooth. Your search might be F3. Now we can change the amount of displacement. We can make it massive or we can make it little, but I'm just going to leave it with the defaults. Now let's work on this material on combining these two. So we've got the light concrete and the dark concrete. So first up, I'm going to get the texture coordinates. And what we'll do is we'll go off the object data. So let's separate by X, Y, Z. Separate, go the object to vector in there. Now how to do this over a 3D space, I'm not entirely too sure, but on flat images, it's very straightforward like this. So from here, we've got texture coordinates, separate X, Y, Z, and let's now throw in a color ramp. I'm going to get the Z and plop it in there. Color can go into the factor of the mix shader. And now we've just got black. Now I'm going to zoom in here and let's bring this all the way back. Lovely, look at that. However, we've got the concrete inverted, that's no problem. Let's just swap these around. And there we have it. Let's just fix this up. I think I have to zoom in some more. About there. So now we've kind of got a wall with these holes in it. Sick. Please make sure you like and subscribe to keep up to date with the next lot of videos that are coming out.